Um, so, I don't know what y'all doing today, but I'm bored as shit. I'm sitting here, let me show y'all. Oh, shit. Oh. I'm sitting here having a yard sale all day long, selling baby clothes and fucking refrigerator and stereo and stuff. Been out here since like 10:30 this morning. Only have one person come by. Man, boring as shit out here. It's hot, it's humid, and I'm just bored. So I figured I'd come out here, and while I'm sitting out here making videos, but yeah, this all day long, just sitting here with no cars coming by. So I'll holler at y'all later. Alright y'all, back to the yard sale thing. Keep in mind, when you hear thunder, it usually follows by rain. And having a yard sale when it starts pouring down raining. Oh, hang on, it's my girl. Okay, sorry about that. So yeah, back to what I was saying. If you hear thunder and you have a yard sale, yeah, you should cover the shit up fast. And it's hot. It's like 80 some degrees out there. It's muggy, it's humid, and now it's just starting to rain. It's awful. But alright y'all, I'm gonna finish doing what I'm doing, and I'll holler at y'all later.